It's for sale. You can make a little bit of sound. I mean, how much sound are you wanting to make? No sound. Do you want to see? You want to say hey to my people? What's up, TRT community? Let's help each other. So listen, a lot of you guys have been like, where you been, bro? Well, thank you very much for the concern. Seriously. Yes, I've been busy doing a lot of different things. Priorities are important, and the truth is, and don't take this personally, but you know, I'm a husband and a father and a pastor and even a student before I'm a YouTuber. And so I've just got to keep priorities straight. And there's been a lot of things going on that just need my attention. There's a lot of projects that I've just been putting off. I mean, who likes to do those projects? Not always me. But here's one thing that I did. Check this out. I hung up this thing for all my power tools there. My edger, my weed eater, the hedge trimmers. I made that. Put that up. Well, I didn't make it. I mean, I installed that, which finally needed to be done. The little office downstairs where I film a lot of my videos, it just ended up being a catch-all. We all have that room, don't we? That sort of a catch-all room. It just, maybe it's your attic, maybe it's your basement, maybe it's an extra bedroom. It just ends up collecting everything. Well, that's how this one was, but now it's all organized and pretty. And yes, that's my definition of organized right there. So if you're like, no, it's still pretty dirty. For us, that's pretty darn good. And then also scrub the back of the house, the siding on the second floor in the back. It just doesn't catch a lot of sun back there, so it builds up a lot of mildew. And I did my best. There's that spot at the top that I couldn't get, but I'll get it eventually. And I also put a new radiator and headlights into my wife's van. Now don't be impressed. Don't be like, wow, he knows how to put radiators in cars too? Well, this is what I did. I just went on YouTube and watched the video, and I was like, okay, it looks like even I could do that. And so, got the radiator. Sure enough, I could do it. And with putting the radiator in, you gotta take the bumper cover off anyway. And we had those really foggy headlights. They're just so ugly, I can't stand them. And so I was like, wow, why not put some new shiny ones on while I'm at it? And boy, don't they look good. What else? Oh yeah, I built some shelving. There was a closet that we had that put some shelving in. Now our game closet's all ready, and my wife's happier because that's all organized too. And then I've also been hunting for this thing over here. Look at this. I've wanted one of these since 2014. This is a 1991 Jeep Cherokee Laredo, and I think she's just beautiful. That's what I'm going to have now in place of the Miata. So, question, guys. Over the next 6 months to a year or so, I'm going to be, little by little, improving the Cherokee. It's not perfect. A lot of the main things are fixed on it, but there's a few little things that need some attention. So this is my question. Do you want me to make any videos of me fixing up the Jeep? Do you even care about that? Or are you kind of like,
Cohen, listen, stick to one thing, bro. Just do your one thing. We don't come to you for Jeep advice. We come to you for TRT advice. Just don't.
Or are you like,
Yeah, who doesn't love Jeeps? Make those videos, Cohen.
you let me know. So the Miata is gonna get cleaned up, and I've got to get some wax sprayed down on it. So something else that happened during like the 2 months that I haven't made a video is our family actually got COVID. Not all of us, thank the Lord, but my wife was sick first. She went in because we knew, if it is COVID, let's just get a test and make sure. So she got her test.
Put your fingers about right there, and that's how far you need to try to go up your nose on both sides with the swab.
Okay.
When you get it up there, wiggle it, leave it about 3 to 5 seconds on both sides. Take it out, open that little vial, you'll stick it in, swab down.
Oh gosh, I'm not supposed to do that. Hope I did that right.
Then it came back positive, unfortunately. She was in bed for about 2 days and really, really sick, and but not sick enough to be hospitalized, thank the Lord. And then it spread to 3 of our 5 children, and I was able to dodge the bullet. I never got it. thank the Lord, and the 2 other children didn't either. So COVID happened to our family as well. But that test, man, that test is no joke. I went in to get a test. I felt like I better get a test before I really felt like I could go back to normal life again once I got a test and it came back negative. So that test, boy, that swab going up your nose, if you had to do it, it's no fun, is it? It's a little uncomfortable.
Yeah, it is.
Gosh. Yeet! She's fine. They have a tough exoskeleton.
Daddy, I heard a squish, Daddy. Oh, squish.
I had to take a break from preaching at church because I just couldn't be around people. And then the 2 other leaders in the church, they both got COVID. So we had to go to online church again, and that just takes a little bit more work because we have to film the messages and edit them and put them on and everything. So that happened too. But as for some ideas I've got for my next videos, they're going to be probably 2021. I'm going to be trying out a deltoid injection for the first time. You guys are going to get to watch me do that. Also, this is going to be something different, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. Let me focus on my face there. TRT wrap. Yeah, there's going to be a TRT wrap coming out. A friend of mine's going to help me because I'm no rapper, but I wrote some of the lyrics for it. He's going to be rapping it for me, and it's called Straight Outta Energy. So I hope you guys like that one. And then lastly, guys, I've got another video coming out soon that I've already started to shoot some parts of. It's going to be a more detailed approach to my story, my story, my big story about how I knew I needed testosterone, and probably some details that you guys didn't know about. I've made a few videos about kind of how I knew, but this is going to be kind of going on location to some spots and just telling you the whole story, and I hope it's helpful. I hope you guys like it. Well, listen, I hope all of you have a very Merry Christmas. God bless you. Thank you very much for this whole year. Hit 10,000 subscribers about a month ago. I was really grateful for the TRT community. So God bless you all. Take care. Peace.